In this video, we're going to get and install the Divi theme. So recall that Divi is a commercial GPL licensed theme, which means that you're allowed to use it and redistribute it, but you're not going to be able to find it on the WordPress free themes. So you're going to need a friend to give it to you. So in this case, your friend is me. So the way to get it is go to wpacademy.com, go click on Services. Under All Courses and Software, click on WordPress Essentials Quick Start product. And this, by the way, is an illustration of how WooCommerce works in WordPress. If you want to add e-commerce features to your site, this is very easy to do, and I talk about it in my other courses. Then you add to cart. And from there, proceed to checkout. And you can log in here if you're a returning customer. Otherwise, just enter your first name, last name, and place order. So this will send you directly to the members area page and log you in under your membership. And it'll show you your membership products, including WordPress Essentials Quick Start. Download Divi theme here. So just click on that link and it'll download the file. It's called divi.zip. On Windows, it puts it into your downloads folder. And here's how you're going to install that theme on your site. You're going to go to Appearance, Themes, Add New, and then Upload Theme, and then choose File. And you're going to navigate to your Downloads folder. I'm already here. And then we're going to enter Divi in the search box, as we know it's called divi.zip. That's it. You're going to open and install now. Now this takes a minute. And then we're going to activate. Now a heads up that you can have multiple themes installed, but only one active at any given time. So this is actually your Appearance dashboard, and you see all the themes. The active theme is Divi. And let's go and have a look. And there we have our blank or starter WordPress website with the Divi theme installed. So, this is nothing to write home about. So let's carry on.